If you see the video title and thumbnail and click this video is totally for you. From past week, I'm actively making video and sharing with you the free model that you can use inside your Claude Code, Visual Studio Code or through external website. But important things is it is fast as well. It will respond in 3 seconds and 5 seconds. You can see and you can use it in Claude Code. At the same time, you can use it in the Visual Studio Code as well. But everyone is complaining about rate limit. Every model rate limit will be limited and it will be expire within in the 1-2 hours. But in today's video, I will show you those type of model which provide 7 million tokens per day and 10 requests per minute. 7 million token. Do you imagine? You can get it 7 million token completely for free. No credit card required. Nothing will be required. We are going to use it inside the Claude Code. Okay, then let's get started. Where Nara router provide some free model with huge amount of a token per day. It provide popular model like Mimo and some other model. See, in pre-plan, this will provide this model and token will be the 7 million per day and rate limit will be the 10 requests per minute. Then in today's video, I'll show you how you can use it inside the Claude Code. Okay. First, you need to create account. Start free and log in with your Google. Then you are directly landed it here. No any verification required. No any credit card will be required. After that, it will provide the endpoint, it will provide the model and you need to create the API key. Select on API key section and create your API key. Select the duration and didn't share your API key with anyone. I have already created my API key. After that, you need one another things, which is Claude Code. You need to install Claude Code. Search for the Claude Code documentation. Then from here you can easily download Claude Code according to your operating system. If you are using it for Mac and Linux, then use this command. If you are using Windows, then use this command. Just copy this command and paste this in your terminal or PowerShell. Depending on your internet speed and device capability, it will be installed within a 2-3 minutes. Or internet is slow and capability is also less, then it will take up to 5 minutes. After it will be installed, check does it successfully install or not. If version will be reflected, then it means Claude Code will be successfully installed. After Claude Code will be installed, .claude folder will be created in some directory depending on the operating system. If you are using it for Windows, then it will be created in the C drive, bin and your name inside there .claude folder will be created. Some of are unable to find, some of are unable to open this folder. I will show you the easiest way to open it in any operating system. Then how you can open it? Go to the Visual Studio Code, type Command Shift P if you are using it for Mac and Control Shift P if you are using it for Windows and Linux. Then type shell command. Then you can see shell command install code command in path. We will set and install code command, then we can easily use from the terminal. After you have installed this, you may close Visual Studio Code as well. And another things, you can proceed this all step in anti-gravity as well. Then type code directory and .claude. I will also provide this command in video description and pin comment as well. Press enter. If you do this, then it will open the .claude folder. It will be located on any directory. After Claude folder will be open, don't worry, this setting.json file is not here. If you are using it for the first time, create the new file and I'll provide this in the video description. Copy it and replace your API key, or everything will be mentioned in the documentation. In the overview of Nara router, here will be the endpoint, copy until ID. This is the base URL that I have used and this is the model. And this is the API key that we have just created. Copy the API key from here and provide it here. Anthropic API key, leave it empty. And in model, provide any model that you are interested to use, which is provided by Nara router. Use anyone. Okay. After that, save it and close Visual Studio Code. Or if you want, you can test it in Visual Studio Code terminal as well. But I'll demonstrate you by using main terminal or PowerShell, whatever you are using. After you have completed the setting.json configuration, then type Claude and press enter. If you are using it for the first time, it will ask, do you want to choose dark mode, light mode, and new API key will be detected. Read the instruction and select it. Claude Code will be able to read, edit, and execute file. Do you want to give access? Yes, I'll trust it. Press enter. Then you are ready to use Claude Code. Here you can see Mimo v2.5 free model will be available. Let's try it. Hi, see how much fast it will respond. It will respond in 3 seconds. This is the free model, but if you think it will slow, then you are in heaven. It will respond in 2 seconds, 3 seconds. That much fast is it. Didn't underestimate the free model that I am sharing with you. Okay, by this way, you can easily use one of the training model in the market, which is Mimo v2.5, Mimo v Pro, and some other model inside your Claude Code. You can easily use this model inside your Visual Studio Code as well. Open your Visual Studio Code, install Claude Code for Visual Studio Code, then it will be reflected here. Type /model, switch model, then select this custom model and easily use it here as well. It will perfectly working in Visual Studio Code. Hey, how can I help you? Here it will respond. By this way, you can easily use this model inside your Claude Code and inside your Visual Studio Code as well. Okay, that's it for today's video. We will meet you on the next video. Happy coding.